sorry ass DJ.
Good day, math fanatics. I am Teacher Cider, and I will be your tour guide in the world of numbers. Before we start our discussion, let us recall our past lesson. Mayon Volcano is one of the fascinating volcanoes in the Philippines because of its symmetrical conical shape. The approximate steepness of the volcano is labeled by the line. Question: what relationship exists between the steepness of the line and the slope by simply looking at the figure? I will give you 10 seconds to answer the question. Did we come up with the same answer? Very good! Given the following figures, identify the slope of the following graph mentally. Do you still remember how to identify the slope of the line if the graph is given? If you do so, then let us answer these following activities. Don't forget that slope is equal to rise over run. So let's start from the y-intercept or from the point 0, -2. Then, let's go upward 4 units, and if we run to the left, our slope will be negative. But if we run to the right, our slope will be positive. So in this case, we run to the left. So therefore, our slope is negative. Therefore, the slope of this graph is 4 over -1 or -4. Again, try to answer the second graph. Let us start from the point -1, -5 as our starting point. Let us go upward 15 units and run to the right 3 units. Since our slope is equal to rise over run, then our slope is 15 over 3. If we are going to simplify it, we will get 5. So, our slope will be 5. Now, we are going to graph an equation given the slope and y-intercept. For example, in the equation, y is equal to 2x plus 1, the slope is 2, and the y-intercept is 1. The first step is, we are going to plot the y-intercept and then use the slope to find the other point. Note that 2 means 2 over 1, or rise is equal to 2 and run is equal to 1. Using y-intercept as the starting point, move 2 units upward since rise is equal to 2, and 1 unit to the right since run is equal to 1. Using y-intercept as the starting point, move 2 units upward since rise is equal to 2, and 1 unit to the right since run is equal to 1. What did you notice about the graphs we answered a while ago? That's great! If the graph goes upward to the right, the slope is positive. And if the graph goes upward to the left, the slope is negative. How about when the graph is horizontal or vertical? If the slope is greater than 0, the slope is positive or increasing function. If the slope is less than 0, the slope is negative or decreasing function. If the slope is equal to 0, we have a constant function or special kind of function. If the slope is undefined, it is not a function. Now, you are going to apply your skills in answering this simple activity. I will give you 60 seconds to finish the activity. Here are the answers for the activity. Did you get all the correct answers? Excellent! For your assignment, create a story out of the given graph of the linear function. Did you enjoy our adventures in the world of numbers? Good to hear that. I hope to see you again on the next lesson. Bye!